today I have lights in front of me and I have a green screen behind me. So then that way, hopefully, I won't be taking up as much room. You can see that there's some other side. There's some wrinkles in my screen a little bit, but it's all good. It's literally just like a green cloth thing. But yeah, oh yeah, sorry, you're seeing that. You should be seeing this. My bad. I was just making sure that we record the entire screen. Totally forgot to switch over to Minecraft because last time I remembered that when we were recording Minecraft Education Edition with MakeCode, if I didn't just record the whole screen, you couldn't actually see the code that I was running. So yeah, I think we're good. So I don't know what I want to do today. I always just create random things. I don't know. What was this one? This one was the most recent one. Let's just jump into that one and see what is going on. This was when we were playing Spleef. Oh my gosh, Spleef is so much fun. Anyways, so let's go back into our code. And I think it should still be there. There it is. So let's open that up. So if you didn't follow the stream last time, basically I was wanting to just recreate a game that I liked making 4 years ago or something, which is called Spleef. And basically what it is that you just create a platform with walls, you create another platform below it, and then with lava in it, and then, you create a platform with walls with lava inside of it first. So that's what this is. So this is basically going to be creating the platform. That's a lie. That's what this one is right here. It's just basically going to be creating a platform. My gosh, my brain is not working today. Okay, let's go through this and let's actually just write the code or the comments for the code so that we can see what it is that we're actually doing. So right here, this kind of inner for loop. So what this is doing is this is going for length from 0 to 15 and then width from 0 to 10. So it's just kind of creating a 15 by 10 square, okay? And it's going to place one at whatever my variable length is and whatever my variable width is. And then it's going to place one below me as well, okay? So it's just basically going to place one that's 2 wide. Also, this is my cat. Hello, cat. This is Princess. You might just see her tail in my face. Sometimes she likes to just sit on my lap, especially at 5:15 when it's dinner time. I will feed you in just a minute, okay? So basically, I'm creating 2 square blocks, one on top of the other in a platform. So actually, why don't we just duplicate this for loop here? And let me just add this into its own chat command, and let's call this double, just for ease of use. Okay, so that one's going to be double, and I'm doing that so then that way we can kind of just see what this is building. So this is building a 15 by 10 by 2 platform of stone. Okay, the next one is here. And what this is doing is this is now going to above 3. So, okay, this is the Y, right? So it's going to go 13 by 8. So we're going to have 1 on each side of it because we need to have 13, so it's -2, and then 8, so it's -2 this way. We're going to have 1 on each side of it to make a wall. And then in that location, we're going to place air, and then we're going to place lava. And so basically that 15 by 10 by 2 platform of stone is actually going to be a 15 by 10 platform of stone. On top of it, a 15 by 10 outline of stone with inside of it a 13 by 8 lava-ness, okay? And then 3 steps above that, we're going to place another 13 by 8 platform of stone, okay? So this is basically going to be creating the lava pit and the platform to walk on, okay? So let's go ahead and duplicate that, and let's call this one pit and platform. Okay, perfect. So we've got double, we've got pit and platform, and then we've got spleef. The last bit of code here is going to transport me, or teleport, let's use the same language. It's going to teleport me basically to the center above the top platform, and then change to survival. Okay, and then if you die, it's just going to say fail. This last bit of code here is just going to, excuse me, it's just going to replace replace any code, any block I step on with air. Okay, and then if you die, it'll just execute this that says fail. Okay, cool, awesome, that looks good. Let's just zoom out, make sure there's no random blocks of code anywhere. Okay, that looks good. So I separated this out. I want to show you what double looks like and what pit and platform look like. So I'm going to play this. And then let's also time set day and set weather clear. Now, what is it? Weather clear. What is it? If anyone remembers in the chat and wants to let me know, what is it again? Let's see. Oh, it's probably right here, actually. Clone, connect. Nope. Okay, well, it stopped raining anyways. Whatever. Okay, so let's do the double command. Okay, so double is going to do this. And if you remember, because we're kind of like standing here, it's obviously not going to... Oh, shoot, I did that again. Gosh darn it. You don't want to move because it's relational, so the code is in relation to where you are. So if you move, it's going to be in relation to where you are, and then you get those weird things. Okay, let's come over here. Let's do this again without moving. So let's do double. Okay, so the quote-unquote problem that we have here, though, is that it's not going to place a block where our character is, which is kind of a problem because this is going to be the outline of our square. And so when we run the next one, which is pit and platform, the lava is going to fall out. So a couple things that we could do here. One is that you could be very quick with just grabbing another stone block. What is the one that I'm actually using? This one. And placing it here. Oops. That'll eventually go away. Again, I don't want to move because it was replacing all of that and creating a platform. But then that's kind of like annoying because, yeah, it's just kind of off, and that's just kind of annoying. So another alternative to doing that is we could actually fix the code so that instead of having the double one start there, we want to start it at length +1, which will allow us to basically just kind of be a little bit away from us, right? So offset it just a little bit. So we can have math, we can do this, and let's just do 2, and let's do length +2, and do that here. And let's go ahead and do length +2 here, and let's go ahead and do width +2 here. And then let's go ahead and do width +2 here, and get that width gone. And since we're going to be doing +2 there, that should be fine because we're not going to actually change the variable. Okay, so let's try this with double and make sure that that actually works. So now I'm going to run double again. Again, you just don't want to move. There it goes. So see how it's creating it like far away from me? And now it's not going to be a problem when I do the pit and platform. But we also want to make pit and platform happen +2 as well for width and height. So that'll be better. Let's go ahead and fix pit and platform as well. So we want to do plus 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Okay. Let's go ahead and come over here. Let's do double first. There it goes. What are some of your favorite things to build in Minecraft? I mean, obviously, if you're in survival mode, the very first thing is to build a shelter. Trying to think, though, what are some of the fun things? I really liked building roller coasters. That's a lot of fun. So then now let's do pit and platform. So we can see it replacing air, like first putting air, then putting lava, and then it's putting the one above it as well. So we can watch all of that happening, and now we don't have that awkward, like it's falling out problem. Okay, so now we've got our pit and our platform. Pretty cool, huh? Awesome. Okay, so let's go ahead and fix that. Oops. Let's go ahead and fix that code over here. So let's make this. You know what? I'm just going to do. Oh wait, sorry. I don't want to actually do that. I'm just going to duplicate. There it is. And I'm just going to replace it here. Oh, here, I'll just do this. Put it there. There, and there. Awesome. Okay, and then let's just change this to 3 everywhere. Cool. So now we should be able to run Spleef. Let's try it. We want to be facing kind of this way-ish, I think. Okay. Yes. Okay. So this will play the game, or this will make the platform and then actually set us in the center and then start making all of the blocks below us disappear. So we're gonna have to be pretty fast about it once it gets created. So after this whole thing gets created, then it'll move us, so we'll wanna be ready. The reason why we wanna replace it with air first is because if you replace it with stone, if you have stone and you just like put lava where that is, it doesn't just replace the stone because of like the properties of air and stone and water and lava and things like that. So now you can see that it's disappearing. And again, this is, oh shoot, oh no, okay, this isn't good. This is not good. I totally just fell off the platform and now I'm just gonna fall down. No, okay, I landed in water. It's okay, let's get to land. The only other problem is that once I get to land, everything below me is going to be also turning to air. And I really just want to be up there. And now lava's falling into the ocean. Oh no. Okay. Okay, I'm just going to stand right here, just kind of like on the edge. We can watch the lava fall. I do think the lava falling is kind of cool. We can always change back to creative mode in a second. But I like when the lava hits the water. Let's do this. Again, if you hear Winston snoring in the background, totally normal. At least in our family. Woo. It's like the opposite of a volcano, just like lava falling from the sky, not coming from the earth. So it's crazy because when the lava hits the water, it turns to that stone and whoa. And then what we could do actually is we could stop the lava from coming out, which could be kind of fun. So if we stopped the lava, then we can see what kind of thing it created by hitting the water. Oh, now it's also raining. Goodness gracious. This is an intense world that we're in with the lava and the rain and the oceans and the everything's. All right, one more. Right there, come on, there we go. Are you done? There you go, okay. So now we can just kind of see what it's creating down here. I like accidental structures like this. Like if we go underwater, we can... Why am I not fall underwater? Thank you. It's just a little platform that the lava is creating. I bet we could... Does that help? Ooh, the lava's coming through now. Just a little bit. So we can even make it like... Like, how deep can we make the lava come? Not very, it seems. Yeah, it does only... Looks like it's only going to go that deep. I kind of want to, like, get a torch and go explore. Whoa, okay. Now the lava's stopping. Oh, I'm still making things disappear below me. It's pretty cool. Anyways, walk through the lava wall. What was I going to do? Oh, I was going to stop this code from running. So I think if we do that, it should work. So now if I walk again, it shouldn't... Oh, no, it's still deleting below me. Turning to air. See, this is kind of dangerous, though, because... okay. Yeah. If you're, like, on the block in the right way, you could fall through the bottom of the earth, which is a little intense. It could be, like, a fun way of digging, though, like, really fast. That would actually be kind of fun. I kind of want to build that line of code, or that project. Let's go back to our code. Cancel. It's not what I wanted. Here we go. Home. Let's create another one. And let's call this builder. Also, you don't really have to create a bunch of different projects. I'm creating them differently just because I want to show you like different options here, but you don't actually have to create them in different ones. You could just have all the chat commands be something different, right? Let's do place block. And I kind of want to do like a whole square block, so it's not this one. This is the one I want. I don't want to just place one block. So I'm going to do air from -1, -1, -1 to +1, -1, 1. Okay, so let's try that one. So now, since I ran different code, I think it shouldn't be deleting below me. Perfect. It's not deleting, right? It's just did I call it builder? Why did I call it builder? So this is kind of cool. It just kind of like clears everything around you. Why is it only doing it once? Hang on. Oops. Fill with... Oh, I don't want to do that. I want to do not on chat command. Silly goose. On player walk. Okay, there we go. So now... Oh, we probably do want to do it up, though, because as it's like... Okay, so let's... Yeah. Let's do 1. Let's try that. Okay. So this just kind of like massive build, or like, it's not building. I don't know why I even called it builder. Digging. Just some like massive digging down here. Whoa. That's so cool. I just love doing things like this. Okay. So let's do this hill. Whoa. Why doesn't it want to like keep finding things? Oh, okay. Let's do, why do I keep doing that? Let's do a little bit wider. So let's do from, let's do -3, -3. Okay, let's try that again. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Isn't that crazy? And then now you can just kind of see all of the different stuff. So we just created this massive just hole inside of a mountain. I wonder if we went to one of the ones that had more, where was that one that had more, is it just weather clear? Yeah. That's what I meant to do. There was one over here that had just like a bunch of, ooh, what's under there? Whoa, this is awesome. Oh, that's so, I love the way that it looks. It's just kind of like greenish because it's just shallower. Oh, look at all this cool stuff underneath. I want to go explore the bottom. Oh, wow. I feel like the last time I played Minecraft, there wasn't as much fun exploration that you could do in the ocean. This is really awesome. Like, look at how neat this is. I don't know what kind of torches work underwater, but that would be really fun. Oh, I want to build an underwater. Okay, that's it. We're building an underwater world. Oh, this is really cool. I mean, there already is an underwater world, but we're building our house underwater. This is so awesome. Look at how cool this is. Okay, so this is, oh, look, it's a dolphin. Hi, dolphin. Hello. Okay, so I think we should come back over to that area and let's build something. It would be much faster to build it if we were doing it with code though, so let's do that. Okay, so let's just do, I don't want to fill with, and I don't want to do it on player walk. Let's do chat command, and let's call this house, and let's do block, and let's do from, okay, so what I'm gonna do is I want to do basically a cube. So I'm gonna loop from, God, my eye hurts. I'm gonna loop from, let's do this. So we're gonna call this, hello, I don't want you to be index. We're gonna do length. I don't want you to be index, I want you to be length. And I don't even want you to be length, I wanted you to be width. Width. Okay, so we got length and width, and it's from 0 to, let's make like a fairly big house. Let's do like 30. Let's just do a 30 by 30 house. So from where I'm at, and then it's just gonna build like, okay, so basically what we're gonna do is the same thing that we did with Spleef, but that was just 2 by 2, and that was just like one layer of lava. Instead, we're gonna do a cube made of glass, that's 30 by 30, and then we're going to do a 28 by 28 inside of it of water, or sorry, of air, okay? So first, we're going to replace with glass. So we're gonna place block with glass. Could be cool to have a diamond house underwater. I don't want a glass pane. I want a, here we go. Nope, that's not glass. Here we go. Okay, so let's do, I think it'd be kind of neat to do like a light blue stained glass. And we want it to be length, and we're gonna do +2 or 2. Let's do length +2. Oh my goodness. Length +2, and then we're gonna do width +2. Okay, so that'll create that should create our cube, and then we're gonna duplicate that. Let's see, that's gonna go ding, 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 ding. Oh no, that's only gonna do it. We need another loop, sorry. We need a height loop. So now we're going to create height, and that's going to be 30. So we're going to do the same thing here. But actually, we don't need it to be +2. The height can be... No! No, that's not what I wanted. I just wanted this to be height. And I just wanted you to replace this that one. Okay. All right. So now we're going to do the same. But we're going to only go from like 28. And we do want height, like we want to start at 1. So we do need to do math plus 1. Okay, and then we want these one to be plus 3. Okay. I think that should work. Let's try to build it. Great thing about Minecraft is if it does not work, it's totally fine. So, is it building? Oh, there it goes. It's going to take a little while because it's 30 by 30. Again, we can't really move, so that is a thing that's happening. Oh, darn it. Oh, I just realized I didn't change it from glass to air. We want this to be air. Okay, so let's run it again. That's kind of a humongous house. Okay, that's fine. Well, actually, I guess we could just still build it here. Fine, okay, house. That's gonna be a really big house, to be honest. It's gonna be way above the water, I think. Okay, I don't think we should build a house that big. Let's tone it down a little bit. Let's do 15 by 15 by 15 and 13 by 13 by 13. Okay, just a little bit. And then let's come over here. Where was that really here? I liked this area. Ooh, let's come down here. I like this. Okay, so let's build down here. The neat thing is that this is kind of just like, I don't know. I don't know how architects actually build. I'm not pretending to know that. But what it feels like is how an architect might think about building things once they're, like they don't think about each individual block that they're placing, which is how I would normally go about building something in Minecraft, where I would just like place a block, place a block, place a block, place a block. Instead, I feel like they think about, okay, first I'm going to need this kind of structure, and then I'm going to need that kind of structure, and these are the way that they kind of go together. And that's kind of what I'm thinking about here, because first I'm building just the square part of the house, right? The interior, we might want to add walls, we might want to expand it, whatever. But I need to build the interior, like the square part of the house first. I also, because I'm building an underwater house, I need to build a way to get from above water into this without letting water in. So it's going to be something that like is just below the surface probably, and like there's just like a little hole, but we need to be able to build that kind of like tunnel that goes up into it. So this is definitely not done yet, but what is going on? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, there it goes. Okay, so we're a third of the way done. So we definitely need to think about that as well. And we could do it by just like building it, but I love to see those little sea creatures just swimming around. This is so neat. But we could also think about the math of it all, right? And that's where I like where MakeCode comes in, because it challenges me to think about kind of the way that it is with math, but then it also allows me to build something much bigger, much faster, and then focus what I'm good at, which is like well, okay, I'm not good at it, but like as a human, I'm better at like the details and kind of walking around and seeing how I like it. A computer is much better at just kind of building one big thing and making it work. So that's kind of what I mean is like, I like it when code allows the computer to do what the computer does best and then allows the human to do what the human does best. Again, I'm still not good at it, but I do it better than a computer. Maybe? Well, at least I think so. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I think it's on number 11. Oh, look at all of those creatures swimming around. This is so neat. Oh, this is funny. My phone was just like listening to me rant about things, or my watch was. I definitely, the last time I played Minecraft like consistently, well, I mean, I've been playing it off and on, but like I definitely wasn't ever going into the water, because the last time I explored the water, there was basically like the octopus or the squids. There wasn't all these other really fun creatures. This is so neat. I love it. Look at that one has a little baby. I really want to just go hang out with them, but I can't leave. Come over here, little baby. Because if I move, then it's going to mess up my square. I guess this is where like you definitely want to potentially use an agent instead of just using the code here, because then an agent can just go off and do it and you can actually move around. But look at the little baby. Hi, little baby. Oh, it's so cute. I love it. Okay, are you done yet? Let's see if it's going to create another row. It's kind of hard to see from this angle. I don't know. I can't really tell if it's done. What we should have done is had it say like done when it's done, so then that way we get a message that says that. That would have been smart. We should do that next time. I kind of feel like, oh yeah, look, it's definitely going on the inside now. So it's replacing the inside with air. Although, oh yeah, that's fine because it was 100% glass. I was thinking if it was water on the inside, that would be a problem. We should have done from top to bottom, because the like you would replace it with air and then the water would fall down, and then you replace it with air and the water would fall down. That would not be good. But it's fine because it's just 100% glass. So the glass does not fall like air or sand does. Look at all of these creatures, and we're going to build a house. This is awesome. But yeah, what do you all think would be fun to build? I see that there's 2 people watching. So I'm curious, like, what is your favorite thing that you've built, or that you've seen built, or that you would want to build? I was trying to design out like the house that I would want in real life, and I totally built it in Minecraft, and it was really neat because I could literally just like walk around it and just kind of see what it was like. And honestly, it was much faster to do that than to use those apps online where you have to like put a wall here, put a wall there, and like you can never really get it right and you can't really see the 3D-ness of it. Doing it inside of Minecraft was just a lot of fun. It would be really cool to do it with like Minecraft HoloLens and then literally just walk around a potential house. You know what would be really awesome? Because I really just want to buy some land, is if you could just, like at Build when they demoed, when Satya and folk like walked around and they like blew it up and they were like literally walking around the world. Oh my gosh, that's how I'm building my next house. Well, it's not like I built a first house, but I definitely want to do that. Do you see the lightning up there? This is so much fun. Okay, are you done yet? Kind of feels like you're done. If not, like it's pretty tall, so I'm gonna say you're done. So now here comes the issue though, right? Is that the issue is we need to get in there without letting water in. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in from the bottom, and I'm just going to come in through 2 blocks as fast as possible and then replace them as fast as possible. So I'm going to walk in. Am I in? I can't tell if I'm in. Oh no. I'm like, oh shoot. Where am I? Oh my gosh, I can't see anything. I cannot see anything. That's not what I wanted. Oh, this was not a good idea. This was not a good idea. And I think my entire, I think my entire house is being flooded right now. This is making me so sad. Okay, there we go. I am inside of it. Okay, but I definitely flooded my house a bit. So let's go back over here. Let's grab some glass. Let's get that light blue stained glass. Let's close you up. Close you up. Oh my goodness, what did I do? Let's close you up. There we go. Let's put another couple torches around here. Oh, look at how cool this is. Oh my gosh. I forgot how dark the glass, excuse me. I forgot how dark the glass would make it, and especially because we definitely like dug into there's like dirt here. We definitely like dug into it. So Look at our pretty little house. Look how cool this looks. Oh my gosh, this is so neat. Oh, this is so cool. Okay, I kind of want to like, what is over here? I kind of want to just dig out that way maybe. Oh my gosh, Winston's snoring so loudly. It's so funny. This is so neat. Okay, I think it looks so pretty. Okay, I think, let's see. Let's take a look at our house. So I definitely think this is a neat little feature that we want to leave open like that. We definitely want all of that. So I think that we want, there's like a cave over here already. Oh, that's so cool. Should we just go into the cave maybe? I kind of want to explore the cave later. I feel a little bit nervous about just jumping into the cave right away. Is there any? I kind of just think I want to go over here. Okay, so this is going to be our little doorway into our house. So let me get rid of those. Let me find some doors. Let's do, I kind of want to do like, let's do a dark oak door. It's kind of a weird juxtaposition to have like the doors be these big like, oh, I just wanted to make them with the thing. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. Ah, okay. Oh, I forgot, you can't really, okay. Let's put some stone here. Oh, fine, dirt, okay. There we go, that's what I wanted. Okay. So, I'm thinking of just building like a simple ladder. So let's put a torch here, and let's put a torch here. So that's our little doorway. Welcome to my house. Oh, how pretty. Okay, so that's our doorway. We definitely want the entryway to be nice and, ooh, look, that's falling down. So let's put some stone over here. Some stone there. Okay. And yeah, I kind of feel like I want to just, I mean, what's going on over here? There's some, like, what if I just, kept going up? Whoa, oh no, there's water. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. I just let a bunch of water in, I think. Gosh darn it. Okay, let's do that, and let's do that. Okay, so here's the entryway to our house right this second, which is a little funky. Whoop. I don't know how the sand got in here. Oh, I just went too far down. There we go. Okay, so here's the entryway to our house. One thing that we could do is just literally put a ladder. It would be kind of fun to do. Can you do? Thank you for the. I mean, yeah, I love my green screen too. Nice to see you. One thing that would be kind of fun. So like we could put a ladder, but it would be like, can we build an elevator? Oh, you know what we could do? Okay, I have an idea. Okay. Oh, sorry. I was just thinking, like, I wonder if we could use some code to, I'm trying to remember what we have here, but like if you break a certain type of block, what we could do is transport you just above and then replace that block again. I think that could be really cool. Okay, can we do that though? Replace when block is this, okay, with data, block ID, block stone, print hello, fill with clone, so let's see, player, so on item used, but there's definitely an on block broken, on, no, so I think on arrow shot, on player teleported. I mean, we could just like have it run the command, or like when you say command, we could like exit or enter or something. It could go into the house. I just feel like that's not as as awesome of what I want. Oh, here we go. On block broken. Okay, so let's pick a block that would be fun to do. I wonder, let's see. I mean, it might be better to do something like dirt, so then that way, if we did want to go into survival mode, like it would just, like it wouldn't be that hard to break it. So, but we don't want to do any dirt, like any dirt, and then you just come, okay, so we want to do something unique. This is tricky. What if we did some jungle leaves or some like oak leaves? Let's do oak leaves. So when you break oak leaves, because I feel like, although I definitely do break oak leaves often, let's do jungle leaves. I can't remember the last time I broke some jungle leaves. So when you break jungle leaves, I want you to, so the thing is that we're going to place the jungle leaves like right here, okay? So let's do jungle leaves. So we're going to place the jungle leaves here, okay? So when you come over here, the way to exit the house is you break it, okay? And when you break it, it should replace it with jungle leaves. And then it should, so we're at the position 17, let me write that down. 1728, 1728, 36, 102. And when I fly all the way up to here, I'm at 1728, 63, 102. And maybe we say like to get into the house, you just kind of, let's put some jungle leaves right here. You want to be here. So you break these jungle leaves. So that's 1726, 64, 101. Okay? So the very top, okay, so those are the two that we really want to get to. So we want to get to 1706. Okay, so, and then we're going to replace that with sand again. So let's just get some sand. Sand block. Oh, we don't want it to be sand though. Well, we want it to be sand on top. So we're going to get some stone and, oops, we're going to put some stone here and then we'll put some sand here. So then that way it totally just blends in. And then the only thing that is weird is this one. Okay, so now the code. So when you break jungle block, then what I want to do is I want to move to a very specific position. And so I want the player to teleport, but I don't want it to be to that. So actually, I want to check if you're above. So if you're greater than 50 or like greater than 60, let's say, I want you to go down. And if you're less than 40, I want you to go up, right? So we want to teleport you. So let's say logic. And we want to say if, and then the player, or let's get position, ground at, can we not get the player's position? Player world position. If player world position, logic. Player world position is not going to be logic. Basically, I want to teleport you to 1728, 36, 102. So let's just do that first, and then we'll figure out the rest. So this one's just going to teleport us back into our house. Ready? Break it. Wait, why didn't that teleport that into us? Teleport to world 1736, 102. 1728. Why didn't that teleport me? Oh, because I'm in creative mode, so game mode S. I think it doesn't register it as broken. No, that didn't work either. Mode C. That's strange. Is this jungle leaves? Okay. And Let me just make sure. Jungle leaves. Okay. All right. Oops. So now let's go back into game mode survival. Okay. I'm not sure exactly what's going on. Let me try, instead of breaking the block, I just want to teleport. So I'm going to do player on chat command, and I'm going to say home. I'm going to teleport there. Okay, so let's try that. There we go. Okay, so that worked. I think it's not registering that I'm breaking it, and I'm wondering if it's because I don't have the right tool to break it. That might be why. We could just do commands, but I really wanted to do it this way. So let's think about this. Okay, so let's do home, and then let's duplicate this, but instead of home, let's have it be away. And we want it to be 1726, 64, 101. Okay, so if you're home and then you're like, actually, oops, away. And then we're up here. I mean, I guess that's kind of better anyways, because then you really can't find my house. Like, you would have no clue that my house is here. There's no indication. Oh, look at the little turtle. Hi, little turtle. How are you? Anyways, you would have no indication that my house is here, except for the fact that, like, you kind of see it below there. But we could also do other things to kind of hide it. It would be kind of fun to put the, like, what are those plants that are floating around the bottom there? Where are you? Not the, yeah, seagrass. Wonder if we could put some seagrass. But there was also, oh, lily pads. I liked those really tall ones, though. Large fern. Well, in any case, let's put some, we can try putting some seagrass. I wonder if seagrass would even go onto glass. Oh, it will. Cool. So we can totally just kind of try to mask it in some seagrass, maybe. Maybe it'll just start to grow. I'm probably being way too linear with my placement, which is going to be not looking very natural in terms of the natural world. Jessica, you wanted me to go into that cave. I should definitely go into that cave before time's up. Oh, hi, turtle. How's it going? How may I help you? Are you just going to follow me around? What a cute little turtle. How's it going? Should we make like a little turtle sanctuary over here? So let's do this. Let's put some, let's put some of this in here. It's kind of weird. What is it doing? Oh, is that another? Oh, check that out. It's another little, like, cave. Let's put a torch over here. No, I am underwater. I'm so confused as to whether I'm underwater or not. Totally underwater. Oh, the turtle's gone anyways. Okay. It was these little things over here that I really liked. What are those ones? These little vines. Are they just vines? You know how we can find out is I can totally do game mode S, which is survival mode, and then break it, and then get it, and then I'll know what it is. So let's do that. Game mode S. And then I want to like collect them. Why not collect? Are they floating to the top? Well, they are floating to the top. Okay, I got it. Game mode C. All right, what is it? Oh, it's kelp. How cute. Okay, so look at our little underground house. This is awesome. Okay, let's go under here and let's add some kelp. Kelp. Oh, the kelp doesn't float on there. Okay, that's fine. Let's go home. Oh, there we go. Okay, so we're home. And let's go explore. Whoa, calm down. I'm not right-clicking anything. Hello. That was not helpful. Okay, let's go explore that cave. So in order to explore the cave, I feel like we should. I'm nervous. Okay, so let's go ahead and break this, and let's just kind of go in there. Okay. Caves are fine. I'm not scared of the dark, I swear. These torches are totally a normal amount of torches that you would ever want inside of a cave. Let's go ahead and seal up our house just in case there's anything in here. And oh my gosh, this is so cool. There's like a cave inside of my house. This is awesome. Wouldn't it be neat if you could just like do this in real life? Oh, whoa, look at how expansive this cave is. Oh my gosh. Wow. This is so cool. Okay, are we coming to an end over here? Oh my gosh. This cave is ginormous. Okay, so here's the end of this side of the cave. I always like to just see where my boundaries are. I kind of think it would be a good idea to know how to get not just to the end of back into my house, but maybe back into the cave entrance of my house. So this is so awesome. Check this out. This is so sweet. So maybe this is where we would definitely want to have like a staircase or like a ladder. So let's grab a ladder. Okay. 7. Ladder go on glass? No, it can't. Maybe we'll just build this little staircase. So we're going to want to do that, and then we can get rid of those. Dink, dink, dink. Okay, so here's our cave. Let's go back to this side now. Okay, so next is we've got all this up here. How big is it over here? Oh my gosh, this goes on forever. Whoa. Look at all of that. That's expansive. Okay, so that's this whole area, which is the same bottom area as this one. So now, jump down, and we will check this side out. So this should be the same. I think it was the same. Maybe it wasn't actually. Oh, look, there's kind of 2 layers here. So we've got this bottom layer that's all. Oh, look. Oh my gosh, we've got so much stuff down here. Okay, so we've got that bottom layer, but then we also have this little piece right here. And this is the piece that we were seeing when we were up there. Oh my gosh, this cave is huge. We could totally get lost. It's a good thing we have that chat command to find our house again, because oh my gosh, this cave is so big. Oh, look, there's some gold. Oh my gosh, this is so awesome. Putting our house where we did was the best decision. Look at how cool this is. Oh my goodness. There's so many resources down here. Okay, we're on creative, so let's just go ahead and... Oh, look. Oh my gosh. Again, I think I was saying this one time, but like, I like playing survival mode, but I kind of like being in creative mode first and just kind of exploring everything and then going into survival mode. And I don't personally consider that cheating, because the way that I think about it is if I were in a zombie apocalypse, I would definitely feel like I would know the area a little bit first, and I would know kind of like what I needed and have some kind of preparation. And so I think this is just more realistic for a zombie apocalypse, which is why I play Minecraft, is to prepare for the zombie apocalypse. So That's my thought process on that. All right. All right. Oh gosh, there's just so much. Like, I'm not going to totally just clear out the lava right now, for example, because that's going to be something fun to just kind of try to deal with later. Okay, so, oh my gosh, there's so many different ways to get through this cave. Oh my goodness. Look at all this stuff. This is so neat. I am definitely like cheating in terms of I'm going to be putting all these torches here. But again, I would definitely have a big stockpile of flashlights because I already have that stockpile of flashlights. So it's not unrealistic. It's totally realistic to assume that I would have light. Right? Totally. Are these from me? They are, but I missed this hole. Ooh. It's a little water slide. Woo. Okay. So, where am I? It would be neat to add some like roller coasters in. Build up the house a little bit. Oh my gosh, this cave is just intense. There's just stuff everywhere. This is amazing. Look, there's just like a whole little area over here. The lava just stops right here. Just, you know, floating down some lava. It's all good. Wow. This is just... Look, there's just like a whole other little... What is over here? Oh my goodness. Wow. How neat is this? This was the best cave ever. I could not have asked or like found a better cave. This cave is so cool. Okay, I feel like this is going to go on forever. I have no clue where I am, so I'm going to type house. I'm going to go back home. No, oops, no, I didn't want to do that. Oh no, I'm building another house. Ah, stop. No, stop. Yeah. Home. I wanted home, not house. There we go, home. All right, I'm going to go ahead and replace that with just that so you can know that you're home. Hello, home. There's my little staircase that's just kind of hidden, and my millions of torches and things. Okay, awesome. All right, y'all. I mean, to be honest, I think this is a really good start. We've got this awesome house that's underwater, has caves. We should add a door here just in case. So I'm going to go ahead and add a door right there. And this is our house. And I think probably on like Tuesday, I'll come back and we can start just kind of like sketching out how we want this house to be. And maybe we can even do some like multiplayer stuff or something eventually, play some games, ride some roller coasters. I don't know. But thank you all so much for joining me. This was a ton of fun. I don't know. I had a lot of fun. I'm going to try to figure out if I could do that elevator thing where you can break the block. So I'll let y'all know if I figure that piece out. But otherwise, it was great having fun with y'all, and I will see you next week. Bye. If I can stop streaming. Someday. Someday I'll get this right.